readback is correct, or is floated Vegas, give me a call prior to taxi, please.
We'd like the Southwest Mesa departure, sir, and out to the Long Beach practice area and return. And we run up from Combat 1, we got Zulu, we're southwest, parked by Jason.
Combat 1, y'all on ground to be in opposite direction, pair of Cherokees above 1 at Baker Street, taxi via Bravo to the tower run up.
This beautiful 13th of November 2021, time now is 11:14 local clear skies, light wind, beautiful day for aerobatics out by the Marchetti. Running good. Engine looks good. Trims up for takeoff. Breakers are set. Switches are set. Alternators charging. Top frequency 26.8 is standing by. That's looking good. Gear handle down. Trim is set. Flaps are 15. Looking good. Pressure, temperature, quantity is good. Watch your knees. Controls are free and correct. Loose gear stowed. Seatbelts are secure. Canopy to go. We keep that open because it's hot. Yep. So we're ready. Looks good. All right. Let's shut the lid a little bit. A little quieter. A little Citation jet.
TVMJ Yankee.
It's a very humble jet experience.
You take care now.
Very modest, right? Modest, totally. Yeah, that's not your $100 million jet, but for about $1 million, you could have one of those and go pretty fast, pretty far. Oh wow! In a jet style, and not be out 100 times the price. It's much better.
It's like one of those Honda private jets. Huh?
Yeah. Clear for takeoff. Early return, 2's ready, kilo, clear for takeoff, Combat 1 rolling.
Here
we go. Throttle wide open, airspeed's alive. Follow me through on the stick. If you want to put your right hand on the stick with me, I'm going to hold that attitude just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Here she goes. You're getting right on the wheels. She's flying. Positive rate. Gears up.
Station 104, Victor Papa John, turn to 2's right, continue trouble.
Cool.
Oh, continue for 104, Victor Papa.
There she is.
Station 5, Papa 7, and 2's right,
Nice.
clear for takeoff.
Woo! How was that, brother?
Oh yeah.
You got it. You're flying it.
This is crazy.
Turn to Huntington Pier, sir. Here we go.
All right.
Try a little air conditioning. That's nice, right?
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, yeah. What a gorgeous day. You Catalina, nice and clear out here. Yep. If you look farther out there, you can see San Clemente Island, which is twice the distance from the shore, which is nice. Just a little nose up. Keep it coming. How's it feel?
It's very interesting, yeah.
It flies smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah, super sensitive too. Well, not too sensitive, just like, you know, little movement. And I'm sure you're ready to put your hand back on the joystick if we need to.
Oh, you're doing good.
All right.
I'm holding the lid open for us to get some AC.
Oh my God.
You don't get to do this in the jet too much, right? Open the door. Let's take a look around, see what we can see out here. Over here to your right is Seal Beach, that giant, that huge box that's clear, that giant like a field. That's a military installation called Los Alamitos. It's pretty close to Seal Beach. Nice easy left-hand turn, look left, turn left, take a look at the shore. Anybody at the beach today?
Few people.
Few.
This is crazy.
Doing it. Climbing out of 2,500 feet, we're doing about 100 knots. We're doing 123 over the ground, which means we have a little tailwind. About 10 or 15 knots of tailwind pushing us along. Over here to your right, you can see downtown LA. Cluster of buildings at your 2 o'clock. That's about 40 miles from here. Beautiful visibility.
Alright, 013.
I've set us up for burning the last of the tip fuel off. So if the engine quits, don't freak out. We have 2 more inboard tanks. I'm just trying to get it out of the tips.
Gotcha. So many tankers.
Yeah, no, these are all our ships that are trying to get into port, and they're all traffic jammed out here.
Yeah.
It's a little problem. A big problem, looks like.
Back 10, Echo resume navigation.
Feel that? There goes the last little bit of the fuel out of that tank.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
First.
Ease forward just a little. There's the fuel flow. Gentle. As it relights. Good. Now we're going to get the last out of the left tip. Sorry, where's us? You just want to get it done. That's a little hairy, right? Gets a little quiet.
Yeah.
Veronica loves that. Actually, she hates that, so I never do it with her. It's a different sensation. It's kind of like diving.
Yeah.
Only we're above the surface rather than below.
And you could pass out.
Totally. And you can flag out. But the cool part about it is, if anything goes screwball, we can always glide down or we can jump out, which is, I think it's a little safer actually.
Actually, yeah. You can't just shoot up from
Right. And I don't feel like, if anything goes screwball, I will not be able to breathe. So this is actually a lot safer. So your ears do a little yawn.
Yeah.
So your ears a little more nose down. Get to a $160. That looks good. We're going to bring the nose up nice and high now. So tighten your stomach and bring the nose up nice and high above the horizon. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Up, up, up. Relax the back pressure now. And hard to the left. Go all the way over. Push it all the way to the stops. Look out the front. Here we go. Look at this. All the way over. Right. Holy crap. Look at that tanker right there. Nice and easy. Little back pressure on the stick. Gentle. Yeah. That's awesome. That's insane, right? I love that. That's so fun. That's a roll. How's your stomach feel? You feel good?
Yeah.
Feel solid good?
Yeah, just here, but good.
Mostly just nerves, right?
Yeah.
A little hairy. A little OD on adrenaline. A little left turn. A little back to the left. All right. Let her sink. Let her settle. Here comes your speed. Throttle's wide open. And we're running downhill to pick up the speed to about $180 right in here. Nice deep breath, relax, let it accelerate, a little more nose down. A little harder, little harder, little harder, up and over. Okay, we're going over the top now. Tip your head back, we're going over. Look for your smoke, look at that view. Isn't that insane? Oh, yeah. I love that free fall. Now just a little more pull, gentle on the pull, gentle on the pull, little harder, gentle like that. Hold that, little harder, look right through the smoke. Yeah, nice and smooth, little more pull, that looks good. Up, 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 nice and high. Want to try another roll? Yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1, hard left go. All the way to stop. Push it all the way over to your knee. All the way harder. That's it. Look at the roll rate. Oh my God. That's it. That's it. That's what we're talking about. Little gentle pull through the end. Beautiful. That's how you do it. It's all finesse, isn't it? It's like it's a race car. It's like a race car. Gentle left-hand turn, little bank to the left, and little pull. My God. Are you having any fun?
That's an understatement.
Is it as cool as you thought it would be?
Way better. Okay. Way better.
I want you to get the vibe of what a fighter plane's like.
Oh my God! You're gonna hear me say this a lot, but this is insane.
It's great. What I find it to be is like this surreal. I feel like we're in dreamland up here. It doesn't even feel real.
Yeah.
There's nobody else out here. Do you think on a Saturday in LA with 10 million people right there?
Yep.
There's nobody out here. Crazy.
That's one of the cool things about here. Like even with sailing, we'll go out and it's just our boat.
Dude, I love it.
We just fall to LA, I guess.
Just get away from the people. Isn't it nice to kind of be isolated a little bit? Let's do it like the combat run. Like put the gun sight on, turn to the left. Let's assume that our bad guy's coming from where that lighthouse is over here. So turn towards it. Power's coming up. We're calling visual. Push the nose over and accelerate. Nose is coming down. We're going to go to a $180. Now when we cross, we're going to do a simulated cross. I'm going to call fights on. We're going to do a climbing left 180, and we're going to come back out the opposite way we came. So in other words, point towards the southeast point or the left point of Catalina Island. Nose is down, accelerate. Now we would be crossing in a few seconds now. In 3, 2, 1. Fights on. Pull, pull, pull. Look out the left side. Pull, pull, pull. Look over your left shoulder. We're going to make a 180 left. Keep pulling. Climbing left 180. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. We're climbing and turning. More pull, more pull, more pull. Look how we're slowing down now. Look at the radius of turn tightening up. See it? Little right pedal, roll out. We're just above the stall speed. We're just above the stall speed. A little more nose up. Gentle, gentle, gentle. A little more nose up. We're just above it. Feel that little rumble? Yep. We're very, very slow. Now assume that the bad guy's down here on your left. Let's roll on top of him and come down and get him. Ready? 3, 2, 1, hard left. Roll upside down. Unload, accelerate. We're only doing 70. Now we got to let it build up speed. Tighten your stomach up and pull. 3, 2, 1. Gentle on the pull. We're going to switch to gun sight. Pull a little harder. There's a bad guy down there. Bring your nose up nice and high. Now pretend you're shooting him. Shoot, shoot, shoot. And once you kill him, break away to the right. Knock it off. Fights off. That's do a roll. Roll right. Hard right. Roll. Right. Yeah. Victory roll. When you win, you burn a roll. Nice. Oh my God. That cool? Climbing right turn. Beautiful. Good job. That felt great. That's what a dogfight feels like. Oh my God. Except there'd be another guy trying to shoot at you. Yeah. So that's a whole nother level of hairy. The only place in LA that you can do flips over the ocean. Yeah. There's too many houses. They built this thing up so much, there's no place over the land left to fly. Yeah. Cool. Let's do it. We'll point straight toward the shore. Power's coming back. Hold that nose up. So we're very close to the stall. You'll start to feel it rumbling. And when it does, we're just going to ease the stick all the way back and step on the left pedal all the way. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Back stick and left pedal. Now, here we go. This is your spin. Whoa! Not crazy. Relax the back pressure. Right pedal. Now, we're recovering. A little right pedal. Tighten up your stomach and pull. Yep. And nice, easy pull. Gentle.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! Woo! How crazy is that?
Oh, yeah.
Like it?
Oh, yeah.
That's the scary one.
That's the one.
That's the one that people are always like, if something goes wrong with my plane, what's it going to do? That's the one they're worried about.
Oh, yeah.
That one feels like you're out of control. But really, is it? We just told the plane to stall, and we told it to spin. So the stick's back and the pedal's in, you're telling it to do that.
Oh, my God.
And we did it on purpose, and we recover on our heading. So that was really nice. Yeah, you feel okay? Yeah. Okay, cool. Nice, easy left turn. Now, we got one more move. There's a ship there that probably needs to be sunk. Yeah, go ahead and put your gun sight on him. Let's take him out. And if you had a 500-pound bomb or you had a 50 caliber machine gun, you probably could take that thing out. Just kind of line up on him, squeeze the trigger down. Woo! And you could see if you had a surface to air to ground missile, you could take it out pretty easy.
That's crazy, yeah.
Awesome. I mean, left turn. Hold up. Woo! How about one more roll to the left? Go hard left. Oh yeah, look at that. How cool is that with that ship up there? Tight your stomach up and pull. Yeah, baby. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Woo! Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
So 3, 2, 1, and pull. Back on the stick. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah, there's 4.5 G's. Up and over. Hold on, helmet. Oh yeah. Shot of smoke. Okay, hang on.
This area, this is 52139 over Queens again. And
Okay.
that money.
Gentle on the pull.
Area,
There we go. I got you again. Yeah. Okay, keep pulling. Let's go over the top again. Woo. Hold that right. And hand on top. There you go. All right, hold on to it. Woo. Look at oh my God. That's us. That's our smoke. Look at this. Well, tighten up your stomach in a nice, smooth, steady pull. Gentle.
Romeo, it is
Awesome. We're going back up. Give me a double roll to the left, my friend, in 3, 2, 1, straight left, go all the way over to the stop. Roll, roll, roll. Hard left, all the way to the stop. Keep it going. Double roll. Double. All right. Give me a double. All the way. Give it. Hit it again. Yeah. Woo. And tighten your stomach up and a gentle, gentle pull. Easy. Good job. All right. That is what we're talking about. Let's head home. Great work. All right. We wrung it out here today. Oh my God. You're awesome. You were awesome. That was fantastic. I can't believe it. You totally cranked it and then the headset kind of got sideways. That was funny. We'll take a picture. We got to do a shot in flight. I know, right? Let's do one. Maybe from over here. All right.
Combat 1, contact Charlie Tower, 2640.
26-8 now, Combat 1. Oh yeah, it's video, it's video. Oh, awesome. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's cool. Well, let's go with a still. Yep. How do we get a still photo? Yep. 181. 3 miles a minute now.
This is Tower 11, control down, hot top off, is Tower 11, cross runway 20 left, and hold shoulder when it's 20 right. 20 left, shoulder 20 right, this is Tower 11.
Just a little to your left. We're going to start heading towards the 405 freeway. That's it. And that there's a giant
This is a Tower 11,
that's the stop on the right here. We can start settling down to 1500 now. We'll start sinking down. We're at 22. We'll go down to 1500. Some G's. Want to pull some G's? We're going to use all this speed to get to the airport quick, but then we're going to use G's to get rid of the speed. Awesome.
300 Tower, nice speed, we're holding. Here's a left to kilo,
Wait, pedals. Be careful of the top of the pedals. We don't want to get the brakes. Yep. We're doing 95 all the way to the airport. Gas undercarriage, mixture prop. 95 all the way. Alright, follow your lead. Following like a rock here.
Showing tires, security, kilo, hold short 2 left kilo.
I don't believe this. Southwest doesn't get to do that, right? Nah. 190 to the field. To cut the power.
That wasn't enough. There we go, 40 points a kilo, short of 20 left kilo.
There it is. Pull a little wheelie.
full jet fuel contact tower, I'm moving out of Panama.
Yeah, I wonder why you your head forward and open the lid. Nice. We're down. Nicely done. Really cool. Thanks for joining me. You can tell I'm having as much fun as you are, Ed. Thanks for having me. They saw us landing. They did. And I'm sure they could tell because we were doing spinning. The only one doing 190 to the field. That's insane. That was so cool.